Hey guys, let me show you how to set up the interface actions in Softr and how this goes. So first off, we'll go into the interface right here, right? And I have this button called open. So I go to actions and I see open right here. And the trigger here is run a custom workflow, okay? So first off, you need to go and create that workflow. And that workflow in this sense is just right over here. Let's see. There it is right there. So you create this workflow, all right? And then once you create the workflow, you come back here, you add the workflow there. Now, within the workflow, you can send data to that workflow. And in this case, I'm just sending the product because I want to know like what product I'm clicking on for that. But you can send additional values as well. And so those values could be, selected records, parameters, etc., right? So this is the data that you're sending to the workflow. Then right now, for now at least, you need to go into preview. And you need to press that button. That's going to be the payload, the test payload that is sent to workflows to receive that. So then that way, the first step of workflows, which is right here, will receive that information, see the product come through, and then from there initialize this workflow for you to begin building on. All right. Then from there, you can show a wait screen or do whatever you want, and then pick out your logic. And then depending on the logic, you can send the user to specific things. So for example, I could just show them a toast message of like, hey, this was successful or whatever, and then just update their page when all this is done. Or I can bring them to a new page, etc. Now, if I want to bring them to a details page, I do need to open up a new URL and then craft that URL that I want to send them to for the details page I want to send them to. So in this situation, I'm saying, hey, go to the detail page and use the record ID from the first step that we found here in the record ID. Okay. And so the way that then works is then I click on this button, this workflow runs, it will then go through these steps, and then depending on the branch, we'll then finish off there. And everything will be updated for you there. So hopefully this is just a quick explainer of how you can use the interface interactions in Softr for now. I will say that right now this is the only way to do this. We will in the future add it possible for you to like submit a form, like when you submit a different kind of form, for example, like any one of these, like a edit record or one-click update, those sort of things, and conditional form submissions will be a part of the trigger, the custom workflows as well in the future. But right now we only have the run custom workflow event that happens from a button. Okay. If you want to find a way around this, what you could look to do is use a different trigger. And that trigger could be something along the lines of when a condition is matched. And so if we went into here, we want to start from scratch, and it'd be Softr databases. When record meets condition, that could be another way that you trigger that workflow with a form submission or whatever. And so in that way you can like passive field letting databases know that it's ready to be run in that way or something like that. So anyways, hopefully this helped you, and enjoy Softr workflows. See ya.